Go.
What do you like, sir?
French fries
Fries
and burger.
burger. What type of burger?
BLT burger. The $4.
Okay.
$4 Kitsuna dollars.
Sunday?
Yes, I want Sunday.
Chocolate sundae? Ay? Wait, dito na dun si Papa. Top. Nandito top and bottom.
Yes.
Wait, I need pickle.
What is that? Yeah, okay. How much all in? Here's my payment.
You need real dollars. You need real dollars. And I'll give it back to you.
Real dollars. More real dollars daw eh. Oh. This is $50. Kunwari.
Here's all your stuff. Enjoy!
Thank you. I'll get this na. I'll get this na. I'll eat it na.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
I didn't even wear my outfit.
Yeah.